Okay, so in this inequality, we have 6x plus 4 is greater than 3x plus 10. Solve it similar to an equality. Get all the variables on one side, all the numbers on the other. So I'm going to subtract 3x from each side, and I'm going to subtract 4 from each side. So I have 3x is greater than 6, x is greater than 2. So I want to write this as an interval, so it does not include 2, and it goes to infinity. So you're going to write your answer as an interval. So we're going to clear the parenthesis on the left-hand side first. And we get 3x plus 6 plus 2x is greater than or equal to 5x plus 18. Simplifying the terms on the left-hand side, I have 5x plus 6 is greater than or equal to 5x plus 18. Now if I subtract 5x from each side, the variable disappears. So now either what we have is true or it's not true. So we have 6 is greater than or equal to 18. This is not a true statement. Therefore, there is no solution to this problem because there is no value of x that will make this inequality true. Questions on that one? Clearing the parenthesis on the left and the right-hand side. So I'm getting 2x plus 2 plus 3 on the left-hand side is greater than or equal to 2x plus 4 minus 1 on the right-hand side. So 2x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 2x plus 3. Again, when I subtract 2x from each side, the variables disappear. And now I have 5 is greater than or equal to 3, which is a true statement. So it works for all values of x. So in interval notation, that means from negative infinity to infinity works. Any value that you substitute in works. Now I have two inequalities with an or between them. An or is union. It's a U for union. So I'm going to solve each one independently. So I'm going to subtract 5 from each side and divide by 2. So I have x is less than negative 2. Or, subtracting 2 from each side, x is greater than 2. So if I take a look at this on a number line, and I have x is greater than 2 would be not including 2, so it's just a parenthesis and shading to the right. Less than negative 2 is a parenthesis shading to the left. So it's any solution in those two regions. So it's the union of those two. It's from negative infinity to negative 2, exclusive of negative 2. That's the parenthesis. Union, that's what OR is. And then again, a parenthesis that goes from 2 to infinity. So it's a disjunction. It's an OR. The solutions are split. They're in two regions.